Warm greetings to Principal Sir, to all my respected teachers and my dear friends. Myself Shreya Mishra, studying in class 11. Today we have gathered to celebrate a very special event of our nation. Yes, today we are celebrating Independence Day. That is 74th Independence Day of our nation. As we all know that Independence Day is a very auspicious occasion for each and every Indian living in this country and for all of us, as it is mentioned in the history forever and ever. On 15th August, we got freedom. We got freedom from the British rule after a lot of struggle and hard work. On 15th August, we remind that day on which we got freedom, that is on 15th August 1947. On this day, we remember all those great freedom fighters who have sacrificed their whole life to free our nation from that brutal British rule. We also remember that on this day, India got its first freedom. On 15th August 1947, our nation, our motherland, India, got freedom, got independence from that brutal British rule that was just unpredictable and unimaginable and impossible to get rid of that British rule without such energetic and such India country loving freedom fighters who have sacrificed their whole life, each and every minute, each and every second, each and every day, each and every years they have used up to free our nation from that British rule. On this day, we remember all those fighters, great Indian freedom fighters. Because if we will speak about any other day, then we have already forgotten them. If we will ask a small child that who is this or who is this, then he or she will say that who is he or she? I don't know him. Who is he? I know that Bollywood actress or actors such as Salman Khan or Shah Rukh Khan. But who is Chandrasekhar Azad? Who is Subhash Chandra Bose? Who is Jawaharlal Nehru? Who is he? Nobody. This is means as time passes, it is declining. Their struggle is now becoming meaningless. We are the citizens of India. We should feel proud of ourselves that we have took birth in an independent nation. And why? And now why it is independent? Because the struggles made by those great Indian freedom fighters which made India to be independent and rule and free from the rule of British. If we will not mention or not keep those freedom fighters in our views, then it was just impossible to get freedom from that British rule, which was as brutal as nothing can it be. Yes, friends, how can we forget those leaders if we will think about that period, that how it was, then we can't leave. How they have led their life in such a situation, it is just thinkable. We are now living peacefully, we are now eating peacefully, we are now sleeping peacefully. For whom? Because we are now independent, we have the rights, we have the all fundamental rights, fundamental duties. That's why we can lead our life peacefully, luxuriously, etc. But we are not thinking about that how we get this independence, how we get this fundamental rights or anything else. We are not thinking about that. We are not going into depth. Why? Because because we are now selfish. We are just giving speeches that yes, these are the great Indian freedom fighters who have due to whom we have got independence. We are just speaking this in the words, not by heart. We are speaking it just by mouth, just to see speeches and debates. But on other days, we are not remembering those days, those crucial days on which there was a lot of shortage of food, and how those poor people, how those great freedom fighters have led their life to free ourselves from the British rule, because the situation was really very worst before many years ago. How can we forget those leaders? Only on this day we remember them. How can we forget the sacrifices made by Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, Khudiram Bose, who has sacrificed their life in a very early stage of life? If we will take an example of an Indian soldier who is Mangal Pandey, he was the first to voice against the Britishers. He was the first. How can we forget? Even how can we forget great Indian freedom fighters such as Mahatma Gandhi, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose? How can we forget? Jawaharlal Nehru, how can we forget? Mahatma Gandhi is the father of our nation, as everybody knows. But he was the one who, due to whom we get independence in a fair manner or in a non-violence manner. For his sacrifices, for him, due to him, in each and every histories of several countries, it is being written that India got independence in a non-violence manner rather than by following the path of violence. There are many other leaders such as Subhash Chandra Bose, etc., who really followed the path of violence. But Mahatma Gandhi was the one who followed the path of non-violence, and by following the Satya or truth path or the non-violence path, we have showed that everything can be achieved by in the non-violence method or anything else. Okay friends, but we should feel proud of ourselves that we are now free. We have now get birth in an independent nation. On 15th August, each and everybody gathers and celebrate occasion very joyfully and very happily. But as we all know that now this situation is really worse. As everybody knows, corona pandemic is going on, due to which we can't gather ourselves and celebrate the Independence Day in a very joyous manner, etc. But no worry, the thing which is important, that the national feeling, the pride feeling, and the feeling the feeling which should lie in our heart should be alive. Celebrating is important, I'm not saying that, but celebrating in one field, if we will see that celebrating is not important. The humanity feeling, the national I will say that the bhakti, pride, devotion towards our nation is very much important, because due to those freedom fighters, we can now lead our life peacefully. We have got the rights, fundamental rights. We are the people who have whole rights, who have whole power to run the government, and we should not we have become free means we should not free that we are free from our responsibilities towards our India, towards our nation. In any emergency condition, we should take a step forward or two steps forward or as many steps as forward to help our nation in any type of pandemic. It is very important. That national feeling is very much important. Then only the celebration of Independence Day will be successful. Yes, friends, today is 74th Independence Day, and we have the responsibility to keep our nation free as many years as possible, till which the earth remains. Yes, carried with care, coated with pride, dipped in love. Fly in glory, moments of freedom in the shade of joy, proud to be an Indian. Yes, we are proud to be an Indian, and happy Independence Day. Thank you.